CJP spokespersons have finally got an audience with Union Minister JP Nadda as the government urges protesters to restore normalcy. 20th July 2026, it's been a rainy, hectic and historic day, having turned into one of the biggest youth-led protest days India has witnessed in recent years. What began weeks ago as online outrage over paper leaks culminated today into thousands of students marching to Delhi's Jantar Mantar, making the capital the epicenter of the CJP movement. The day began with a major development from Safdarjung Hospital, where activist Sonam Wangchuk, who has been on an indefinite fast, laid down 3 conditions for ending his fast, putting additional pressure on the centre. Around the same time, fellow activist Abhijit Dipke announced he was ending his own fast, saying he now wanted to return to the ground and lead the movement. As crowds swelled in central Delhi, the political impact was immediately visible. By around 2:30 p.m., the Rajya Sabha had already been adjourned 6 times amid repeated opposition sloganeering over the protests. Also, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's address marking the start of the monsoon session made no direct reference to the CJP agitation again, drawing criticism from protesters as well as opposition leaders. Simultaneously, Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan held discussions with Home Minister Amit Shah as the protest intensified in the national capital. Meanwhile, the streets of central Delhi witnessed dramatic scenes. Protesters alleged police used lathi charge and tear gas to disperse crowds, while authorities carried out multiple detentions and imposed traffic and metro restrictions around key locations. Despite heavy rains, students continued marching, chanting slogans, waving placards, determined to keep the movement alive. Now, whether 20th July marks the beginning of meaningful dialogue or the start of a prolonged nationwide movement remains to be seen. But one thing is clear. India's Gen Z has announced itself as a powerful political force, turning digital outrage into a physical movement that dominated both the streets and the parliament. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.